Hi, my name is Doing. In this video, I'll be making a basic pattern block for a pant or trouser. Very easy, so just watch to see how I do it.
I'm starting with the horizontal and vertical lines. So after that, I now started transferring the measurements on the vertical line in order to get the horizontal line. So this is the hips, waist to hips. So next is the waist to knee. And then the last is the waist to the ankle. So the same hip circumference divided by 4. This is how I got my crotch measurement, which is 12. Now I'm transferring the hips measurement on the waistline, then connecting the 2 points with a straight line. So I'm going to transfer the waist measurement from that line that I just drew. Yes, so now I'm just going to connect it to the hips with a curved line. So right on the crotch line as well, I'm going to extend the line. So I lost some of this footage, but what I did right here, I added 2 inches to the crotch line and now connected the 2 inches with a curved line to that straight line. To get this straight line, I found the midpoint of the crotch line. So right here, mine is 6.25. So I transferred 6.25 to the waistline, the hips line, the crotch line, the thigh line, the knee line, as well as the ankle line. And I connected all the points with a straight line. Just like this. So this is how I got that straight line. So now, in order to transfer the thigh, knee and ankle measurement, I'm going to use this straight line as a reference. My thigh measurement, half of my thigh circumference is 32 inches. So I'm just going to bend the tape into 2, just like this. So align the midpoint on the tape to the line. And then I'm just going to measure out 32 in this way. So it's going to be centered around that line. So I'm just going to do the same with the knee and the ankle as well. So I'm connecting all the points. And then I'm adding 0.5 inch seam allowance around. So I just joined so many papers together because I didn't have enough. I'm just extending the lines. I'm placing everything and securing it with a pin. So next, transferring all the measurements on my paper. I add 2 inches to the crotch, then come down by 0.5 inch. So I'm just trying to get the midpoints of this place right here. I'm marking that. So I didn't have enough paper, so I had to just add some. So from that point, I'm coming up by 2 inches. So let's connect these 2 points. So now I'm transferring the waist measurement to the line and then joining it to the rest of the trouser. So the difference between the front and the back is this line, and then this is steep and that is just flat. So if I want a low waist, I'll just bring it down, and if I want a short, I'll just bring it up here. Thank you for watching.